welcome back to my channel. Today is all about Valentine's Day. Specifically, I'm doing Pottery Barn dupes. I'm taking two items that Pottery Barn is currently selling for Valentine's Day, and I'm recreating them using Dollar Tree products. So we're getting the look for so much less. I love both of these projects and they couldn't be simpler. I'm doing a framed printed piece for you, and I'm gonna have a free printable for you, so stay tuned. And I'm also doing a really pretty heart-shaped succulent garden. I'm gonna show you as I do the projects what the products at Pottery Barn look like as well. They couldn't be simpler. Also, stay tuned to the end because I'm gonna be announcing the winner of my giveaway. I hosted a Le Creuset giveaway as a thank you to you guys for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do another giveaway when I get to 5,000, so stay tuned. Let's get started and make sure you watch till the end. Okay, so the first Pottery Barn item we're going to recreate is this beautiful succulent garden. It's in this little heart-shaped pot. It's really pretty, but it's $25. We're going to do much better than that. The base of my project is going to be this glass little dish. Dollar Tree carries this year-round. It's usually in their floral section, and I'm going to fill it up with some moss that I also got at the Dollar Tree. So far I've spent $2, and then into this I'm going to put some fake succulents that I already owned. If you use plants that you have, this is a $2 project. If not, you can pick these up at the Dollar Tree. These succulents I'm using did come from the Dollar Tree, $1 each. It's a $5 project, and this is really beautiful for Valentine's Day, obviously, but it would also look gorgeous year-round on a countertop, on your desk, really pretty and green. Next, I'm going to recreate this print. I love it so much, but it's $150 to $300 at Pottery Barn. I've created a print. I'll put a link and you can download this. I got this framed picture frame at the Dollar Tree, and I just took the backing out, flipped over the art that was already in it, put in my own art, and that's all there is to it. This is so pretty hung on the wall, and again, a pretty Valentine's Day piece, but also really lovely year-round. Don't forget, follow that link and you can make this as well. I hope you enjoyed those projects. I had so much fun making them. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try these, what you're making for Valentine's Day, how you like to celebrate. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the red subscribe button so you can see more videos from me. I do really easy DIYs every single week. I've got more Valentine's Day stuff coming up. Now stay tuned and watch the giveaway winner. Alright, I'm using an online generator for this. I put in the link to my video, and you'll see it keeps generating my own name because I comment on my videos so often. I'm replying to you guys, so I'm going to keep trying until I get a unique subscriber. And there is the winner. It's the Family for Fun vlog. I'll be reaching out to them soon. Thanks so much. See you guys next time.